Welcome to Fogo de Chao. Hi guys, happy Easter everyone. So now we are going to
Hindi ko alam. Nagre-record.
Fogo de Chao.
I have a table na po.
Yes. Hello.
Nice shoes, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I found it already. It's there. There in the bed. And you can't see this black.
Kaloong. So ngayon, we're just waiting for our meats. Papak muna tayo na cheese platter. Okay.
So you can use your dominant hand.
Yes. Anong tawag dyan?
Katra, top sirloin beef, sir.
Ay, di ba ito yung parang pican ba yun?
We have we also have picanha.
Ah, sige. Antayin ko yun. Yan. Alright. Thank you. Okay, taob mo muna. Baka bigyan na lang lapagan. Meron kang tinatawag na nakasulat dito is yes please or sim por favor or no thanks. Now obligado. Ayaw kung tama ba yung pronunciation. Pero yan. Kailangan mo siyang, pag may lumapit na meat cutter, specific meats, kailangan mo siyang either ilalapag mo siya ng ganyan, facing up or facing down. So stop muna tayo dahil meron tayong bagong meat. Yan siya guys. Ooh, the perfect bite. Harap. So, kinuha namin palang package dito is yung 2026 graduation package. It comes with one dessert, pipili ka, then one drink, pipili ka din. So, I chose the red wine, Cabernet Sauvignon. Me, yes, me, yes, please. Me, yes, me, yes, please. Yung may masarap na part. Yan. You know. Thank you. Wow. Nice and soft. Medium rare, nice and soft. Freshly cooked. Solid. The perfect bite. Tamang balance ng fat and meat. With a sauce of chimichurri. Let's try it. Sabayan mo ng konting blue cheese.
Pero madaling maggalong.
Manipis lang pero yung taba yung gusto niya makapal. Tikam. Meron ba yung ano niyan, garlic version?
Meron tayo, sir.
Yun. Ayan, take
Kaso
it.
for that one, sir, it's for 10 minutes po.
As for 10 minutes, alright.
Yes po.
Sige.
Pag
Thank
order
you.
kasi ng sir, niluluto namin ng bago.
Okay? Yes. Thank you. One of the best. Picanha. Natay ko yung garlic version. Actually, kaya ko alam na best. Ginugel ko. Alam ko kay Google. Sabi ni Google, masarap daw yung picanha. Let's now try Tap's hairline. You can see the perfect bite. Chara! Chara! Tama yung blend. Masarap din naman. Pero I like the picanha better. Garlic picanha.
My name is Tessa. I'm
Wow.
the manager.
Wow. Ano siya? Parang marinated siya sa garlic.
Yes po, pinahiram po siya ng garlic paste, sir.
Ah, okay.
Yung garlic.
Alright.
Ayaw
Thank
ko
you.
dito na lang.
This is what garlic picanha looks like. Tumutulo pa. Sobrang juicy.
Ba't yun yung binigyan mo?
Ano yan? Bakit?
Share na daw kami na to. Sabi ko, sige dito mo na lang ilagay. Sabi ni mama, hindi na naman ilagay. Kuha muna tayo, magandang dito.
Dito pinapasa natin.
Hatiin mo.
Perfect bite. Mmm! Mmm!
Sarap.
Parang salpikaw. Ulit. Sarap. Medyo malaki na yung cut niya, so... Kakaano ko lang eh. No thanks, thank you.
Nagugulat ako.
So, medyo mas makapal lang yung cut niya, pero yung flavor nandun. Artura. Thank you.
Hindi pala ako gusto.
Nung meron kang nanay, nakuha ng karne, tapos hindi naman makain, ipapasa dito sa isa.
Hindi na ako gawa.
Yung plato pulong-pulo na ng mga rita-ritas. Oh. Nag-protest ako ng lamb chops. So, tikman ulit natin. The perfect bite.
Commercial break. Napagod na siya mag-vlog kasi busog na siya. It's good but it can get overwhelming lalo na pag sunod-sunod yung dumadating. But just try to get one piece lang per meat. Then try mo lang and then if you like it then ask for it the next time. But so far it's good. But my favorite is the grilled pineapple kasi may sugar and cinnamon. Must try.
Pro tip, huwag ka pumunta sa buffet area. Go straight to the meats. Tapos, ako kasi, nag-research ako ng mga top meats na sineserve dito. Dadaan sa akin, and I use this card. If nasa top siya, yes. If no, no. It's up to you kung gusto mo i-try. Kasi pag tinry mo lahat, sigurado, nakatry mo lahat, busog ka na. Wala ka ng room para ma-appreciate yung talagang meat na masarap na gusto mo or hahanap-hanapin mo. So, yun. Tama ba, mali?
Tama.
Yan.
Din ulit.